If you need to resize an image in Fotor without cropping or distorting it, this tutorial is going to walk you through the fastest way to do it. Whether you want to change the exact pixel size for a website, create a social media post, or just make an image fit a specific format, Fotor makes the process simple once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Fotor's photo editor and bring in the image you want to resize. You can click Open Image, or if it's easier, just drag and drop your photo directly onto the canvas. Once your image loads, you're ready for the resizing tools. Now, look over to the left sidebar menu. Depending on the version of Fotor you're using, you may see an Adjust tab or an Edit tab. Click into that section, then scroll through the options until you find the basic edit area. Inside that section, you should see the Resize tool. Click Resize to open the size settings for your image. This is where you can control the exact dimensions of your photo. You'll see boxes for width and height, and you can enter your own values here. If you want to work in pixels, set the measurement unit to pixels. If you want to scale the image relative to its current size, you can switch the unit to percentage instead. This makes it easy to resize for different platforms without guessing. Now here's the most important part. Make sure the proportions are locked. You'll usually see a lock icon or chain icon between the width and height fields. When that icon is turned on, Fotor keeps the image's original aspect ratio, which means your photo won't get stretched, squished, or warped. If you leave that unlocked, your image could end up looking unnatural, so always double check this step before applying the change. After entering your new dimensions and confirming the proportions are locked, click Apply. Fotor will resize the image based on the values you entered. In just a moment, your photo will update to the new dimensions while keeping the original shape intact. And that's it. You've now resized an image in Fotor by exact dimensions without cropping out any part of it. This method is perfect when you need precise control over your image size for thumbnails, banners, profile pictures, or any project where dimensions matter. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.